Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this will not help just a lot of people, but somebody emailed me and said that they have three computers and they have Corel Draw 19 on all three of them, and they'd like their settings to be the same on all of them instead of going through and changing them all. And I have 18 open right now, and if you notice my uh, artistic or graphic is set for hairline and RGB. My nudge my nudge distance is 0.001. My offset duplicate distance is 0.0. Now you actually mentioned about color, and I'm not 100% sure it'll do this, but I went to my other laptop and created a file, and I've noticed this when people send me files that I get their settings. So we're going to go to File and Open, and I just called it Test Transfer, and I'm going to open it up. I don't have that font or something, but look what it did. It changed my nudge distance to 5 inches. It changed my duplicate distance to 0.25, and it changed my drawing to CMYK, which I changed on the color palette, but it did not change these colors in my color palette. It did change this to CMYK, and it changed it to black. So it's gonna save most your settings and save you a lot of time, I guess, from computer to computer. I mean, my rulers are right. Everything else is the way it is in the other computer. So that is one way, I guess, to transfer the majority of the data to that. Now we'll click off this file and close it down. And now you see that my hairline is back to RGB red hairline. My nudge factor is the same. My duplicate distance is back to 0.0. So that would be one way to transfer some settings from one computer to the next. Then, I mean, if you did that and you opened up that file, then you would want to go to Tools and Save as Default. And then that way, those settings will be saved as default in that file. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to mess up my laptop, and it's very easy to set it back. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.